In this video, we are going to see how we can extend the power of Copilot with the help of plugins that we get right here. So as you can see that the search feature is on here, where you can enhance your search with the power of the web, including news, multimedia, shopping, and more. We have searched and explored this option. Now, if you want to extend the capability of Copilot, you can turn any of them according to your needs. So for example, if you want the help with your recipes, you want to ask about the recipes, the meal plans, and more. So you can get ingredients delivered from over 40,000 plus stores. This is amazing. So if you want the recipes and all kind of things, you can turn this on. And similarly, if you want to find the best flight or the tourist destination, any information about the travel, you can turn on this kayak. So as you can see that not only these two, but we have a lot of plugins that you can use here on Copilot to enhance the capability of this GPT. So if we scroll down, this is the feature that I like the most. For example, if you have a business, it can make a song for you. It can sing a song for you actually on your request according to your personal data. So let's turn this on and let's see demo of this. So here we can simply write a prompt here to write a song. So I've written here, make a short jingle or song about the John Bakery. So let's click submit and let's see what it comes with. So it's using this Suno app. So as you can see that it's creating the lyrics and the song that you can listen to. And right here you can see that it has generated a custom song that we can listen now. Let's listen to it.
Early morning smells divine, freshly baked and oh so fine. People lining up to see all the treats at John's Bakery. John's Bakery, oh John's Bakery. Warm and sweet, that's the melody. Every bite a new sensation. In John's world of pure creation.
So that is so incredible. So you can see that lyrics, vocals, music, all generated by AI. And that's so impressive, and it's also not senseless as you can hear. So what you can do is just simply download it from here and you have the MP3 ready or MP4 ready. So if you save it right here, it will open up something like this. So here you have the lyrics video with the audio. So guys, I want you to try it by yourself. This is very interesting and I will see you in the next one.